Hey, so if you want your spreadsheet to automatically highlight important data, yeah, conditional formatting in Google Sheets is one of the most useful features you can learn. In this guide, I'll show you how to use conditional formatting in Google Sheets step by step in 2026. First, open Google Sheets and create or open a spreadsheet with data. Now highlight the cells you want to format automatically. Go to the top menu and click Format. Select Conditional Formatting from the drop-down menu. Choose a rule like greater than, less than, text contains, or custom formula. Choose the color, text style, or highlight effect you want applied automatically. Click Done and Google Sheets will instantly apply the formatting. You can create multiple rules for different types of data conditions. Anytime you want, you can edit, reorder, or delete formatting rules. Conditional formatting works great for budgets, dashboards, schedules, and project tracking. And yeah, that's it. That's how you use conditional formatting in Google Sheets to make your spreadsheets smarter and easier to read in 2026.